What's up, you guys? So today's video is brought to you by Cynosure, and that is the hair I am wearing in this video. If you guys are interested in this hair, I will have all of the links below. I really like this hair. It didn't have any split ends, it didn't have any smell, and the frontal was already a little pre-plucked, which is great. So I didn't have to pluck it too much to make it look natural, and it kind of just really fit my head perfect. So yeah, make sure you guys go grab this. I will have the links listed below, and let's get into this video. So the first thing I'm doing, you guys, is putting the wig on my head, of course. And I'm going to be taking my Got2b Glued, and I'm just going to be putting this all around my head. I always say Got2b Glued. I meant Ghost Bond. I don't use Got2b Glued when gluing down my wig because it doesn't stay, especially in Houston. Then I'm taking the end of a comb, and I'm just smoothing this out so that it can dry quicker and it's not too thick. Next, I'm going to be pulling the wig up over the glue. I started cutting it off, and then I was like, I'm not going to cut it off yet because I don't want to. Now I'm blow drying my hair to make sure it is dry when I decide to straighten it.
Waiting for you, baby. No pressure. Every time I think about you, I get flashbacks. I was gripping on your waist, you threw that ass back. You made that ass clap. Oh yeah.
So after I blow dry, I'm going to be taking my hot comb. I always use a hot comb when putting my wigs on because this makes the hair lay very well. Next, I'm going to be taking my scissors, and I'm just going to be following my hairline, and I'm going to be trimming this lace off of the wig.
I'm not trying to forget it. I took my word on for you, let you feel me. You was the only nigga to see the real me. And now I'm singing songs so you can feel me.
After I trim the lace off of the wig, I'm going to be taking the Got2b Glued, and I'm just going to be gluing down the parts of the wig that didn't get to be glued down. After I'm done with my hot comb, I'm just going to be taking my straightener. I'm going to be running through the hair again and just making sure that it's as straight as it possibly can get. This hair also straightened very well for me, which was great.
Hello? Girl, guess what he did? Girl, what? He had a bitch there the whole time. Yeah. 3 in the morning, I'm thinking about you. Cause nowadays I ain't got much to do. You in my morning, my afternoon, night. Now that you're gone, it's just sit with me right. I miss the way you call my name, babe. I miss the way you made me sing. You were my light in my darkness and fright. You put me up when I needed the high. I'm stuck on you. I can't be seen without you. I can't do the things we do. Those were meant for me and you. Come back to me. Come hold me, baby. Come tell me that you love the way my lips feel. Come tell me that this the first thing that's felt real. Come back to me. Come back to me, baby. Oh, come back. back to me. Come back to me, come back to me, baby.
So you want to make sure that you're taking your hair in sections, because if you take too big of a piece, then you're going to have to go over the hair multiple times, which is going to end up frying it in the long run. And if you want your hair to last as long as it can, you just want to take small sections so you don't have to straighten it that many times.
I was gripping on your waist, you threw that ass back. You made that ass clap. Oh yeah.
Pull out of me tonight. Please don't pull out.
I won't pull out. This love has changed, babe. This love has changed.
Nowadays I live different. 'Cause you got over on me and I regret it. My love for you is pure, it was so precious. You told me from the start you would be different. You told me I wouldn't even have to sweat it. Now I've been up all night trying to forget it. I took my word on for you, let you feel me. You was the only nigga to see the real me. And now I'm singing songs so you can feel me. And now I'm singing songs so you can feel me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Yeah, I'm stuck on you. I can't be seen without you. I can't do the things we do. Those were meant for me and you. Come back to me. Come hold me, baby. Come tell me that you love the way my lips feel. Come tell me that this is the first thing that's felt real. Come back to me. Come back to me, come back to me, baby. Oh, come back to me. Come back to me, baby. Oh, come back to me.
Hello? Girl, guess what he did? Girl, what? He had a bitch there the whole time.
Yeah. 3 in the morning, I'm thinking about you. 'Cause nowadays I ain't got much to do. You in my morning, my afternoon, night. Now that you're gone, it's just sit with me right. I miss the way you call my name, babe. I miss the way you made me sing. You were my light in my darkness and fright. You put me up when I needed the high. I'm stuck on you. I can't be seen without you. I can't do the things we do. Those were meant for me and you. Come back to me. Come hold me, baby. Come tell me that you love the way my lips feel. Come tell me that this is the first thing that's felt real. Come back to me. Come back to me, come back to me, baby. Oh, come back to me. Come back to me, come back to me, baby. Oh, come back to me.
Spent my whole life waiting for you, baby.
Okay, you guys, so now that I am done straightening my hair, this is what the finished look is. If you guys like this hair, make sure you guys go grab it below. I will have the links below. And yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. We out.